Okay, so a potato is fired from a potato cannon. Straight up returns to the same elevation. So this is an up and down, just like the rocket lab, right? Let's draw a little picture here. Whoops. Goes, potato goes up, potato goes down, right? Okay, and if this whole thing takes 10.6 seconds, right? That means I believe that it takes, what, 5.3 seconds to go up, right? And 5.3 seconds to go down, right? Add those together, you get your 10.6, okay? Seconds. There you go. All right, so let's see. What is its initial velocity? To what height did it go? Okay, I can solve that by going from here. Going from here to here. So I'm going to go from the ground to the top. The reason I'm going to the top is that I know the final velocity at the top is 0. Okay, I know the acceleration is negative 9.8. And the time is not 10.6. The time is half that total time, right? So it's the 5.3, right? So time is 5.3 seconds. And now we just need to find these two things, right? Let's see. To find initial velocity, what am I going to do? I guess I'm going to use no x, right? So VF is VI plus AT, right? So let's see. 0 equals VI, which we don't know, right? Plus negative 9.8. Times 5.3. Okay, so let's just bust this out here. Negative 9.8 times 5.3 is negative 51.94. Okay, so 0 equals VI plus negative 51.94. Okay, now if you look at this, of course, VI must be positive 51.94, right? Right? The other clue that it's positive is that positive means it's going up, right? Definitely the initial velocity was that this rocket was going up, right? So even if we perhaps got a minus sign because our math isn't so good, when we solve for this actually, right, we would ignore it. We know that it's going up, right? Okay. Now to find x, we have to use our initial velocity. There's no way to avoid using this, and that's because there is no formula with no VI. They all have VI. Okay. So let's use my choice is to use x as 1/2 VI plus VF times t, right? So x is 1/2, let's see, 51.94, and then don't round it. I know the answer down here says 51.9. Don't use the rounded version because that'll make you off a little bit, right? Plus 0, right, times 5.3. And again, I'm using the 5.3 because that's the time it takes just to get to the top. 10.6 is the time to go up and the time to go down. So there's a divided by 2 kind of a thing going on there, right? Okay, so let's do this. This guy times 0.5 times 5.3, 137.641. Right, so if we had to write 3 digits down because there's 3 digits there and maybe 3 digits here or something like that, right? We would say 138, right? And we would have gotten it right. Yay. Go team.